I grew up as a city kitty. I used to live in big cities, and my favorite morning ritual used to be walking down 5th floor of my old apartment building, crossing West 72nd and walking into the cool coffee shop where I could order my morning matcha and enjoy it uninterruptedly. But then I decided to move closer to nature. Do you want to see how my morning ritual looks like now?
Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got.
Be careful what you wish for.